just stumbled upon a fantastic elderberry harvest. So I'm here with my friend Shauna, and today we are harvesting elderberries, and we've got a pretty abundant crop. It's a little late in the season, but they're so nice and ripe and dark purple. This one's even riper here, and they break off pretty easily. They're so pretty. Well, there's a lot of ways that you can prepare your elderberries. As long as you cook them and extract all the leaves and stems, and some say the seeds as well, they're totally safe to eat. You just wouldn't eat a whole bunch of them raw. So as long as they're prepared in the right way, elderberries are amazing, delicious, bursting with antioxidant and nature's medicine right here. Amazing berries. So there's a lot of things that I do with elderberries. I like to make a drinking vinegar with honey and vinegar, or any kind of sweetener that you like. But the vinegar and the sugars help preserve it. You gotta cook it for a long time. And then if you're gonna use raw honey, you wanna add that at the end. I also just make syrup for pancakes. You cook it together with maple sugar. It's just like really thick and juicy and syrupy, and then you strain out all of the seeds and the skin, and it's just like this pure velvety red syrup that kids love. It's really easy medicine to feed to kids during cold season. And the other thing I do is I make gummies with it, and I put them in an ice tray. It makes amazing jello and gummies and all kinds of tasty treats for kids and adults.